Daily list for admission, item numbers 1 to 3.
Item number 1 and 2 may be taken up together, while the item number 3 may be segregated, because it does not come under the same order.
Item 3.
1 and 2 comes under the same order.
Okay.
My Lord, I'm appearing for the respondent number 5 to 7 in item number 1 and respondent number 1 to 3 in item number 2. The leading counsel, Mr. Priyanshu Goswami, has personal difficulties. So, if these matters, number 1 and 2, may kindly be taken up after 4 weeks.
After 4 weeks?
Yes, my Lord.
Okay. Leonard?
For 4 weeks will be a little long one.
Yes.
If
2 weeks? Because it's for admission. 2 weeks?
My Lord, if that may be the case, then if this matter may kindly be fixed on 22nd, because Mr. Goswami has a fixed matter on another case on this day, so it's
When? 20?
on 22nd September.
22nd September. Is that all right? 22nd September. MS such and such appearing on behalf of Mr.
Mr. Priyanshu Goswami.
Priyanshu Goswami for the respondents. You just tell them the respondents in which case.
Respondent, yes, my Lord.
Yes,
Respondent number
respondents.
5 to 7 in item number 1,
Yes,
and respondent number 1 to 3 in item number 2.
right. Okay. And praise for listing the matter on 22nd September, as the leading counsel is having some difficulties,
If I may, Lordship.
personal difficulties today. Yes.
Item 1, I think if I'm not mistaken, respondent number 4 is to file affidavit.
4 has filed.
4 is to file.
Is to file. Yes. Learned counsel, or learned CGC, MS such and such. What about your affidavit?
My Lord, for respondent number 4 in
4.
item number 1. I
In
am
item
filing my
number 1.
affidavit today, my Lord.
Okay. Submits that she will be filing the affidavit in opposition today. Stop. And learned senior counsel, Mr. Such and such, has also submitted that the WPC 56 of 2024, 56 of 2024, isn't it, to be delinked? Yes, 56 of 2024 may be delinked from the other writ petitions, as they are not similarly, no, they are not on the same facts and circumstances. Stop. Accordingly, the WPC 36 of 56 of 2024 is deleted. So, okay. And place the matter on 22nd September. Yes. Then in the other case, then in 3.
My Lord,
Affidavit has not been filed by the respondent number 4.
Delinked, no? Not deleted, delinked, yes.
My Lord, I'm here on behalf of Mr. D. Gogoi for respondent numbers 5 to 7. My Lord, he could not attend here today due to the bereavement of his family member. So if this matter may be taken up after 2 weeks.
After 2 weeks, don't it come?
Respondent number 5 to 7, they have already filed their affidavit.
Okay.
And we have filed our affidavit in reply also. At the same time, respondent number 4 has not filed their affidavit. So if they seek time...
You are mentioning for respondent 4, isn't it?
Respondent 5 to 7.
Oh, 5 to 7.
My Lord.
My Lord, for
But
respondent
affidavit is already filed. Yes.
My Lord, I'm for respondent number 5. We will be filing my affidavit today.
You'll be filing today. Okay. Learned Senior Counsel, Mr. C. Lal Ramzova is present for the petitioners. Stop. Learned Counsel, MS such and such, appearing for respondents number 5 to 7, has prayed for some time, as the leading counsel has some difficulties today. Learned Counsel, MS such and such, Learned CGC, appears for respondent number 4 and prays for... Okay, and submits that she will be filing her affidavit in opposition today. Stop. Accordingly, on the prayer of the learned counsel for the respondent number 5 to 7, list the matter when? That also on 22nd.
Yes, my lord.
Different
Fine.
council. This is a different
Yes,
council,
my
isn't
lord.
it? Next week,
My lord, 22nd September.
22nd. Okay, 22nd. 22nd September. This one also. But segregated, okay?
Item 4.
Today itself I filed my affidavit of opposition for Respondent 2. Today filed, madam. Today I have to submit a copy, madam.
Respondent number
I am for applying for Respondent 2, madam.
2.
I
Okay.
filed affidavit today.
You have filed?
Yes, today, madam. It is not in record, my lord.
Okay.
My lord, I'm for the respondent number 1. The affidavit in opposition on behalf of the respondent number 1 is under preparation. If I may seek another 1 week's time to file my affidavit.
Learned additional AG, Ms. Linda Sergeant Such, present for the petitioners. Stop. Learned counsel, Mr. Sergeant Such, appearing for respondent number 2.
SK meeting. I am
Okay.
SK meeting.
SK Medi, appearing for R2.
Yes, ma'am.
Appearing for respondent R2, submits that the affidavit in opposition has been filed today. So, learned counsel, Mr. Lal Fakswala, appearing for respondent number 1. Prays for how much time? 1 week. 1 week's time to file the counter affidavit. Stop. Accordingly, list the matter after a week.
My lord, after 15th of this month, madam.
After 15th?
Yes, madam. 15th. I'm
After
coming-
15th or you want on 15th?
On 15th. On 15th.
Okay, list the matter on 15th September
Right.
for admission. Yes.
Item 5.
Lordship, in this matter, readings are completed, Lordship. And Lordship, in this matter, the respondent had raised an objection on the maintainability, Lordship. And it can be disposed of in the admission stage, Lordship. Maybe kindly fix on Thursday.
Where is the other side? Learned, it's okay, Thursday. Learned counsel for the petitioner, Mr. Johnny L. I cannot pronounce your names. Submits that the pleadings are completed and therefore to list the matter for admission on Thursday.
Thursday,
Yes,
4th.
list on Thursday.
Item 6.
My lord, we're trying to have a settlement. And if this matter may be referred to mediation,
Okay. Other side, no objection. Learned counsel for the respondent.
yes, my lord.
Respondent number,
1.
counsel, Sergeant Search for the respondent number 1 submits that the parties are ready to settle the matter amicably outside the court. Learned additional AG, Ms. Linda Sergeant Search has also submitted that she has no objections. So accordingly, the matter is referred for mediation under the special mediation drive. So the parties shall appear before the mediation center,
Yes, my lord. No, yeah, no.
appear before the Guwahati High Court Mediation Center on,
My lord,
you have to give a date.
the date will be fixed by the mediation, my lord.
Okay, but you have to appear and then fix the date, no?
Yes,
So-
yes, madam.
Okay, just say the parties shall appear before the Guwahati High Court Aizawl Bench Mediation Center and thereafter fix a date accordingly. So please the matter after the mediation proceedings are completed.
Obliged, my lord.
Item 7.
May it please, Your Lordship. May it please, Your Lordship.
My lord, I was, as per White Order dated 12/6/2025, I was directed to take substituted service in respect of respondent number 3 by way of newspaper publication, for which I've just filed the affidavit of service.
Okay.
As I
Order
received-
dated?
I've annexed the order at page 7 of my affidavit of service. In the affidavit of service, Your Lordship.
Learned counsel for the appellant, Mr. Sarjan sir, submits that as directed by this court on by order dated 28/1/2025, the notice through dusty mode, isn't it? Through
Newspaper publication.
But 28/1/2025 says dusty mode.
12/6/2025. 12th of
12/6.
my affidavit of service will be available, Your Lordship. It's a very thin affidavit.
Affidavit of dusty service. Oh, not this.
Page 7.
Okay, yes. Order dated 12/6/25, okay, not the earlier one. Order dated 12/6/25 had directed the appellant to take steps for service of notice upon respondent 3 through newspaper publication in the district where he is said to be residing. So accordingly, the learned counsel has taken steps as directed by this court, and the affidavit of the newspaper publication has been filed. Stop. When was it published?
Your Lordship can refer to page 11, page 9, annexure 2. This is the Sentinel, widely circulated in Assam.
Dated
And page 10 is-
22nd July.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Accordingly, the paper, the Sentinel, has published the notice in its publication on 22nd July 2025. Stop. However, none appears for the respondent number 3 when the matter is called. Stop. The notice, should we wait for some time?
Can it be deemed to be complete?
After
Because
about,
we have
okay. Accordingly, the notice on respondent number 3 is deemed served. Stop. What about the other respondents?
the other respondents, Your Lordship, 4 and 5 have taken fresh steps by way of ID card. That may be awaited for now.
Okay. Fresh steps had been taken by the appellants for notice on respondents
4 and 5.
4 and 5. Stop. And service is awaited. Accordingly, list the matter after 3 weeks, awaiting service on the rest of the respondents.
Deeply obliged.
Item 8.
Yes.
The new address for the respondent number 5, if I might be given some time to take fresh steps upon the respondent number 5, the new address. And on that note,
You've seen the order dated 1/8/25. You were also supposed to file impleadment application.
yes, my lord.
Not yet filed.
Not yet. That also I would like to take some time.
Okay. Learned counsel for the petitioner, MS Valentina.
Yes, my
Valentina Laldin Puya submits and prays for some time to take fresh steps on respondent number 5, isn't it? Respondent number 5. Stop. She has also prayed for some time to file the impleadment application in respect of the new incumbent secretary in the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways, Government of Nagaland, the Government of India. Sorry. Stop. Accordingly, list the matter when 2 weeks. After 2 weeks.
Hello.
Learned counsel. Yes.
I'm appearing for respondent number 3. If my appearance may be reflected.
Have you filed your affidavit?
Not yet.
Learned
I've
counsel.
filed my power.
Okay, Ms. Such and such submits that she has filed her vakalatnama in to appear on behalf of respondent number
3.
and
But-
prays for
but-
some time to file her affidavit.
My
Stop.
Lord, if I may,
Yes.
if the order may kindly reflect that the fresh steps upon respondent number 5 may be done on the new address, my Lord.
Okay. The fresh steps on the respondent number 5 will be taken by the petitioner in the new address of the respondent number 5. So, list the matter. We'll say 3 weeks. List the matter after 3 weeks.
Much of reply.
Item 9.
My Lord, I'm for respondent number 1 to 5. We are yet to file an affidavit, and my Lord, if some more time may be given to file an affidavit, because my senior is in bereavement and is out of station.
My Lord, if I may make one objection, my Lord. I understand the problem faced by the senior counsel, my Lord. But my Lord, if your Lordship will see the last order,
Order dated 22/7.
correct, my Lord. There, my Lord, your Lordship will see the second last paragraph, my Lord. However, it is needless to be clarified that since several adjournments have been taken to submit the returns, the same shall be positively filed by the next date of listing. So, my Lord, the
Yes.
submission is...
What happened? Let this be a last opportunity.
Yes, my Lord, last chance may be given.
For respondent 1 to 5.
1 to 5, my Lord. 1 week, my Lord. If
1
may be
week.
given 1 week.
My Lord, they can take 2 weeks,
You
but let
take
them file
2
it, my
weeks
Lord,
and make
because
sure.
Because I think the senior counsel is in bereavement and all.
Yes. Instead of taking 1 week and praying for time again.
I have the same prayer. 2
Okay,
weeks.
so 2 weeks. Yes. You are for, Mr. Malhotra?
6. Respondent
6. Okay. Learned Counsel, Mr. Sergeant Sarge is present for the petitioners. Stop. Also heard Learned Counsel, M.S. Ruth, appearing for respondents number 1 to 5, who has made a prayer for time to file the counter affidavit. Stop. Learned Counsel, Mr. A. Malhotra, appearing for respondent number 6, also has a similar prayer. Stop. As observed in the order dated 22/7/2025 of this court, several adjournments have already been taken by the respondents to file their affidavits. Stop. Accordingly, as a last opportunity, the respondents number 1 to 6 are given 2 weeks' time to file their counter affidavit. So, list after 2 weeks.
Keep your place.
Item 10.
Lordship, as per this office note dated 29/8/2025, a service upon respondent number 1, AD card has not returned yet till date. It's the second time we have taken steps, Lordship, through registered post AD.
Actually, these days the registry has to track the
Yes.
AD will not return back. They have to track it. Learned Counsel for the petitioner, and Ms. Such and Such is present. You are for?
Respondent number 2, my Lord.
2.
2.
Okay, Learned Counsel, Such and Such appears for respondent number 2.
And Your Lordship, I am appearing for respondent number 3.
And Learned Counsel, this is, government is also party?
Government is a party pro forma.
Government advocate, Such and Such appears for the respondent number 3 / performer respondents. Stop. The office note dated 29/8/2025 indicates that the service report on respondent number 1 has not returned back. Stop. The registry is directed to track the registered post and submit the report on the next date, list after 3 weeks.
Lordship, this matter has been filed on in the month of February. So
Okay, so 2 weeks then.
pending quite
List-
some time.
list
Lordship.
after-
A week time may be given, Lordship, a fixed week.
Okay, list after a week, awaiting service report on respondent number 3. 3, isn't it? No, 1,
No, number
on
one.
respondent number 1. Yes, after a week.
Item 11.
My lord, I am here to file my WO, so I
You want to?
file WO,
Oh,
affidavit in opposition.
okay, okay.
Yes.
Please, Your Lordship, I have one small prayer, Your Lordship, in this case. The issue is very small, in fact. What happened is that there was a property dispute between the parties, and the matter was referred to the Lok Adalat, and the Lok Adalat accordingly passed an order saying that I have to pay them an amount of 1.5 lakhs within a stipulated timeline. If that is not paid, then the property will go to them. So, and fortunately or unfortunately, so to say, at Annexure 1, page 14, the Lok Adalat order is in Mizo Vernacular. And everything will boil down to the interpretation of this particular order.
Sure.
Although I have annexed my version of the translated, at the end of the day, when the matter comes for adjudication, obviously they're going to dispute my version of the translation. So my humble suggestion, Your Lordship, is that this particular page may be translated by the official translator of the...
By the office.
By the registry, Your
By
Lordship.
the registry.
I think that would be,
that
would serve
That would be fair.
everyone's interest.
Yes. And if he wants to file affidavit, let him.
In the meantime, he can.
In the meantime.
Up to him.
Yes. Heard learned counsel for the petitioner / revisionist, Mr. Such and Such. At the outset, it is submitted that the Lok Adalat award at Annexure 1 of the
Page
petition.
14.
Page 14, Annexure 1 of the petition is in vernacular, and accordingly it needs to be translated. Stop. The registry is directed to do you have an official translator here?
Yes, we have, Your Lordship.
The registry is directed to translate the said Annexure 1 to the petition and place it in the records. So in the meantime, the respondent is also allowed 2 weeks time, 2 weeks to file his objections / affidavit, if any. So please, after 2 weeks. Yes.
Your Lordship, even their objection will boil down to the interpretation of this.
The translation.
This one, translation. Deeply obliged.
Yes.
Item 12.
May it please Your Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of the state respondents. I'm yet to receive any instructions in this regard, so Your Lordship, if 3 weeks time may be granted.
You're appearing for all the respondents?
Yes, Your Lordship.
All the
state respondents, yes. Learned counsel, Mr. A.R. Malhotra is present for the petitioners. Stop. Learned government advocate, Ms. Such and Such, has prayed for 3 weeks.
Yes, Your Lordship.
3 weeks time to receive instructions on behalf of the respondents, state respondents. Stop. List the matter after 3 weeks. Stop.
Your Lordship, if my name may be reflected on the cost list, Your Lordship.
Okay. After 3 weeks, the respondents are at liberty to file the objections if so advised. Stop. In the meantime, the registry is also directed to reflect the name of learned counsel, MS Such and Such, in the cost list as the counsel for respondents number 1 to 6. List of the 3 weeks.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
Item 13.
My Lord, if we may be given 2 more weeks to file the written objection in IA.
Your Lordship, if I may, Your Lordship.
There is an IA.
There is an IA, but it can be clubbed together in a sense that this is a case where we are brothers. And after the demise of our father, we had approached the Lok Adalat in the year 2000. And the Lok Adalat had distributed the properties left behind by our fathers. And after my demise, and we are being represented, we are both dead now, we're being represented by our respective wives,
Okay.
presently.
Both the brothers?
Both the brothers have
are
passed
deceased.
away. And I passed earlier than my younger brother. So after my demise, what they did was, they obtained an heirship certificate by suppressing material facts. That is, they suppressed the fact that the properties of my father has already been distributed by the Lok Adalat. They did not annex that Lok Adalat award, and they said that I'm the sole surviving son of my father, so please give me heirship certificate. The heirship certificate was issued in a single day, without issuing any notice. So the legal principle is that fraud vitiates all solemn act. So that everything boils down to that only. And
It
they
may have to be remanded back then.
No, my lord, there's no question of remanding.
No, if they are filed, you have to be made a party.
No, my lord, no, my lord, no, my lord. In my humble opinion, the matter has already been decided by the Lok Adalat. That is a decree in itself. There are ample amounts of judgments of the apex court, which has held that award passed by Lok
If it
Adalat,
is obtained through fraud.
especially through fraud, your lordship. So the matter has been decided. We have been living in our respective properties for the past 25 years without any dispute.
Then in that case,
Where is the question of filing any objections also?
are you disputing the Lok Adalat award?
They haven't challenged in the past 25 years. So the Lok Adalat award is still subsisting, still holding the playing field.
How much time are you praying for?
My lord, 3 weeks?
No.
Your lordship, if it can be taken up this week, your lordship.
You just take
There is
instructions.
urgency.
You just take instructions. We'll take it up on Thursday. Because if the Lok Adalat award is there and you're both signatories, the deceased persons, then what more is there?
I have annexed the heirship application submitted by them, your lordship. I have. And out there, they have not annexed the Lok Adalat award. They said that they claim to be the sole surviving son, that's it.
My lord, the IA is about submission of an additional evidence. So if we may kindly be given
The
time
IA
to...
is basically for the fact, at that point of time, your lordship, we had submitted an RTI application. And in the RTI application, we sought the information whether the property which was earlier registered in my father's name has been mutated into their name, which was subsequently, during the pendency of this case, which was subsequently answered in the affirmative.
It has been
Confirming
mutated.
it's already mutated by them. So that's why we have this strong apprehension that they might mortgage it to a bank. I don't know. So that's why there is urgency. And we are all, the problem here, your lordship, is that within the LSC, there is a 3-4 story building, and we are living in different floors.
My lord, even so, the appeal is for setting aside in question of the order in the heirship case number 911 of 2023.
Yes. But there, you did not produce the Lok Adalat award. That is the whole problem. We'll take it up on Thursday. You try to file your objections, if any, by that time. List the matter on Thursday for admission. On which date the counsel for the before which date the counsel for the respondent shall file their objections, if any. Yes.
Deeply obliged.
Item 14.
May it please your lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of respondent number 1, 2, 3 and 4, your lordship. The state respondents, that is respondent number 1 and 2, have filed their affidavit on the 25th of August.
Yes.
However, for the respondent number 3 and 4, if I may be granted 2 weeks' time, your lordship, to seek instructions.
They are different departments or what?
Your lordship, it's a society.
Learned counsel for the petitioner, Mr. R. Malhotra, is present. Stop. learned government advocate Ms. Venisiama submits that she has already filed the affidavit in opposition on behalf of respondents number 1 and 2. Stop. But she prays for 2 weeks' time to file the affidavit on behalf of respondent number 3 and 4. Stop. Accordingly, prayer is allowed. List the matter after 2 weeks.
Yes,
2
Your
weeks, you
Lordship.
said. After 2 weeks.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
Item 15.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes.
I'm representing the respondent number 4 and I'm seeking another 3 weeks' time to file my affidavit in opposition.
Okay. How much time?
3 weeks' time.
3 weeks. Central government is 1, 2 and 3. Okay. You are for NHID, sir. Have you also filed or yours? Yet, not yet. Similar prayer. Learned counsel for the petitioner, Mr. Such and such is present. Learned government advocate, MS such and such prays for 3 weeks' time to file their affidavit in opposition. Stop. Learned CJC, MS such and such, and learned counsel, Mr. Your name such and such, for the respondents number 2 and 3 have also made similar prayer. Stop. Accordingly, the prayers are allowed and list the matter after 3 weeks in order to enable the respondents to file their affidavit in oppositions. Yes. 3 weeks.
Item 16.
Yes, Your Lordship. I'm representing the state respondent number 1 and 2 and I'm seeking another 3 weeks' time.
For respondent number 1, similar prayer.
Here also, same. Okay. Learned counsel for the petitioners and is present. Here also, same order, but here the respondent number will be different. Here the state respondent is
1 and 2.
respondent number 1 and 2, and the central government is respondent number 4, and the NHIDCL is 5 and 6. So 3 weeks time to file the affidavit. Yes.
For orders, item 17.
May I please, Your Lordship? I'm appearing for all the respondents in this case, my lord. And in the IA number 27 of 2025 delay, I have prepared my written objection, but I have not completed yet. And my clients are from outside Aizawl district, so I am seeking another 1 week time.
Condonation.
Yes, my lord. If I may granted another 1 week time.
Learned counsel for the petitioner, Mr. Johnson, just present. Mr. Victor Ralte, isn't it, appears for respondent number 1, 2 and 3.
Yes, my lord.
And has prayed for how much time? 2 weeks?
Yes, my lord.
2 weeks time to file his objections in the IA, in IA 27. IA 27 or 26?
27, my lord.
No, in IA 27 of 2025. So prayers allowed. List the matter after 2 weeks.
Lordship, my presence may be reflected, Lordship.
Yes, already.
I'm obliged.
Item 18.
Lordship, in this matter, in the last court order, I was directed to take steps upon the service upon the respondents by the registered post. However, Lordship, inadvertently, I have not done. So I may be given another 3 days' time to.
What about this correction that is made?
Correction is already made, I think, if
Correction
I'm not
made
mistaken.
in the
Lordship.
first page of the IA. Learned counsel for the petitioner, Mr. Johnny L. such and such, present. Stop. It is submitted that. Which order was that? 4-8.
480, Lordship.
That by
Second
order
paragraph.
dated 4-8, 2025, the petitioner was allowed to take steps for service of notice upon the respondents. Stop. However, the same has not been done. So accordingly, the petitioner is given another 2 weeks time to file to take steps for service on the respondents number 1, 2 and 3. No, wait.
1 and 3, Lordship.
1 and 2. Stop. List after 2 weeks. Yes.
Item 19.
Yes, Your Lordship, this is a bail application, and if the matter may be listed tomorrow, I have some difficulties.
Tomorrow,
Yes, Your Lordship.
you have to obtain the case diary, updated case diary.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Learned counsel for the petitioner, Ms. such and such present. Learned PP, MS such and such has prayed for listing the matter tomorrow, 2nd September, in order to enable her to obtain the updated case diary. So accordingly, pass over for the day.
Item 20.
May I please, Your Lordship? This is an application for condoning the delay of 667 days in filing the connected RSA against the impugned judgment and order dated 24/7/2023, passed by the Court of District Judge, Aizawl District, in RFA number 11 of 2020. So if the Lordship permits, notice may be issued.
How many days?
667 days, my Lord.
Learned counsel for the petitioner, for the appellant, Mr. Such and such. This is an application under Section 5 of the Limitation Act, praying for condoning the delay of 667 days in filing the connected RSA against the impugned judgment and order dated 24/7/2023, passed by the District Judge, Aizawl District in RFA number 11 of 2020. So, issue notice to the respondents.
Sole respondent.
To the sole respondent, returnable within 4 weeks. So, the learned counsel for the petitioner, for the appellant, shall take steps by registered post as well as usual process within 3 working days. So, list after 4 weeks.
Obliged, my Lord.
Hearing list, item 1.